So we're pretty excited this morning. We actually got up and left Miami at about 5 o'clock this morning. Got Brian, Eric behind the camera, and myself up here at Clearwater, Costa Custom Boats, actually taking delivery of our brand new Costa 264. So you see the smiles on our faces? Those are real things. Let's go inside and check it out. Look at that smile, look at that. Our brand new Costa 264 is ready for pickup. So I got the guys right here behind me. Pretty exciting. Let's go take a look inside. Got a little skip on our step today. Oh my Lord, it's crazy looking. So we're just checking out for the first time the new addition to the facility. I don't know how many square feet this is, but it is massive. Look at how comfortable and clean everything is here. Look at the quality of work of the infusion here, this liner. Impeccable. It's really one of the nicest from A to Z that we've seen throughout the entire industry. Thumbs up from here. I think it came out pretty crazy. Once the sunlight hits this wrap, it's actually the metallic wrap that Jordan suggested. And if you look at it from the side, it does have a shimmer that the regular wrap doesn't. So it probably doesn't translate through the video, but if you see this thing in person, Jordan absolutely killed it with this installation and material. So this is the first actual time we get to see the boat in the water. Could not be more pleased of how everything worked out with the wrap. Jordan did an excellent job at Wraps on Right. Brian with Glarb design as well. Placement of the logo is perfect. Everything looks phenomenal. That material is amazing, how that water reflects off of it. I mean, it really looks like a Ferrari sitting in the water. Could not be more excited. Let's go take a look inside. So jumped up to the second station, first time coming up here, and it is ridiculous. The vantage point from up here is phenomenal. It's nice and low profile, being a stand-through second station. We have our 12-inch Simrad MFD up here, throttle. You got your jack plate controls. Really comfortable and super nice from up here, whether you're just cruising down the intercoastal or trying to spot fish offshore. Absolutely blown away. It's one thing when you're building the boat, and obviously we've been on Jovan's boat, we've been on the demo boat that we partnered up with them before, but it's something completely different when you build one yourself and kind of put your own touches like obviously we did here. So this group has been incredibly patient with us, Chase back there especially, so we can't wait to get it out over to Miami and out on the water, you know, ASAP. We seriously want to go back and just dump it straight in. But you'll see us soon. Definitely come say hello when you do. Check out CostaCustomBoats.com for more info, social media. We'll be back here soon at Center Consoles only. Got a 4-hour drive back to Miami.